Let us see how you can send bulk campaigns to these contacts without actually importing the contacts, or to this data without importing the contacts. Click on create new campaign and click on WhatsApp campaign. Select the campaign type as messaging, select your channel version, campaign name. You can also schedule this for future or send it immediate. Now in the audience section, click on quick contacts. Here you have three options. First is only numbers. So if you don't want to personalize the messaging, you can simply paste the numbers like this. Now if you want to personalize the messages, you copy it like this with the header row. Sorry, yeah, so you copy it like this with the header row, and now you need to define which was your number column. So the number column here is the number header. And now in the message option, select your channel, select your particular template. Here, 1 second. Yeah, so here you can also map the various other columns that you had, like the name, the field 1, field 2. So I'm mapping the name here, the field 1 here, and if someone is clicking on this button, I do not want to save it in a custom field. You can also send multiple messages in the similar way. Please note, when you send messages via quick campaign, we do not store the sent messages in the CRM or inbox. Neither we create the contacts with these numbers. If the user is sending you an incoming message, only then that contact will be created and the incoming message will be visible. After this, you can click on save. And then you can send the campaign. Similar to a normal campaign, you will be able to see the reports, delivery reports, failed reports, and all these things, but the contacts are not created and the messages are not stored in the inbox as well. So please take a note about this and start using quick campaigns. Thank you.